Hey everyone, this is Karen from Metallic Epoxy Singapore, and this will be our first How Good series. So today we're going to put our metallic epoxy to the test to see how well it stands against stains. Let's go! So every homeowner's worst fear are actually stains, right? Regardless of what surfaces it is. So we have actually
received so many questions about how stain resistant our surfaces are.
So I think today we are going to do an actual stain test for all of you. Okay, so to start off the stain test, we actually prepared 4 items that are commonly found in most households. Okay, so first off, we actually have the coffee, we actually have Tabasco, followed by mustard, and lastly, red wine.
Right, so we actually let this item sit on our surface for about 24 hours, and this is to show, like, if let's say you were to
clean your countertop for a day, and what will actually happen to it to actually give it a very extended period of contact time to our surfaces. First stage, we'll be using just warm water. All right. So the second stage, okay, we'll be adding in detergents to the warm water as well. And for the last stage, okay, we'll be combining all these 3 items with the last item using a soft sponge to lightly scrub off the surface to see how it actually work against the stains that is actually on the surface of my counter. I use a normal paper towel. Alright, so we'll start with the first stage just by using warm water. I'm just going to pour on each and every single area. Let it soak in a little bit. Yeah, it's actually coming out very nice. Tabasco sauce. Right? Yeah, it's coming out really nice. So we go on to the wine. We go into the wine, and I believe these will actually just rub off almost instantaneously. Yeah. Most concerning one is actually mustard. Because it has a little bit of turmeric in it. Alright, but we'll see how it goes with.
Not very good clean, huh?
So after using the 3 stages of cleaning, we have successfully actually cleaned the table of the major stains. The only thing that is actually remaining in terms of stains will actually be the mustard stain, which actually contains a little bit of turmeric, which is actually anticipated. Right? Those kinds are definitely generally a bit more difficult to remove, but we have a tip for you guys. So all you need will actually be just a little bit of thinner, alright, Scotch Brite. So this is actually the softer version of the Scotch Brite, which you can find in most hardware shop. Alright, so you can just do a light scrub. Okay, using much strength as you can see. Okay, just a light scrub. Then wipe down. And tada! Magic! So we are coming to the end of the video, and I hope you guys have actually learned a little bit more on how stain resistant our metallic surfaces are. Alright, so if you would like to know more, okay, just feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok as well, and you should be receiving updates on our next How Good series. Alright, so I hope you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.